Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP archives on Samsung Galaxy A23. And to do this you'll need to get the RAR app. We've shown you previously on how to download it, so now we just need to open the app. Here select the RAR file that you want to unpack, and you can click on each of the file that you want to extract, or press on this arrow pointing up without selecting anything to unpack entire archive. Click on browse to change the designation. I want them in the movies folder, and click on OK. You can also change any extraction options, but it's not necessary, so let's just click on OK, and right here we just unpacked our files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.